Welcome back. We're still doing lesson 26, but this time I'm going to show you how to do this algebraically. What we had done before was, I guess you could say graphically, we were using the stat feature on our graphing calculator, but as you guys are a little bit more advanced, and if you want to move on to that R+ level, you need to be able to do this algebraically. I'm going to write the steps here. Remember, this is not using the well, you can use the calculator to use arithmetic, but we're not using that stat feature. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the slope. Okay. And then the second step. Oh, and by the way, slope is m. Then here we're going to find the y-intercept. And that's the b. And then step 3, we're going to write our equation. Okay. Just for the sake of space, I'm going to cross this out. We're going to do letter A. So for step 1, to find the slope, our formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, we have x1, y1, and x2, y2. So this is 17 minus 5 over 5 minus 2. So that would be 12 over 3, which gives us a 4. Now, this is a tiny bit trickier. We have to find for step 2, we have to find the y-intercept.
You're fine, don't worry about that.
So for this one, I'm going to pick a point. It doesn't matter which point. Remember, the x is 2 and the y is 5. So I'm going to use those numbers, and our m is 4. And let me cross this out. I'm going to plug into y equals mx plus b. That's our slope-intercept form. And our y was 5. Our m is 4. Our x is 2 plus b. And now we just solve our equation. 4 times 2 is 8. Get b by itself, subtract 8 from both sides, running out of room. So b equals negative 3. So we have our b and we have our m. Find some room. Last step, write our equation. Y equals mx plus b. And to write an equation, you plug in the m and you plug in the b. So this would be y equals 4x minus 3. It's good to know both strategies. Sometimes you want to use the stat edit key, and then sometimes you want to be able to use algebra. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. We'll practice more of this in class, guys.